So to recap, I'd hurt my back quite badly trying to pick up my bike poorly, and I've got a holiday to Ireland coming up, so I need to test my back to see if I'm capable of going on holiday. So John is joining me for a long ride to Whitby, and that starts with a cup of tea. As you can see, it didn't start out as the best day for a ride, but I had no time left and needed to test my back to see if I could cope with the Ireland holiday. So what I haven't shown you is how I drop my bike. So as I normally do, throw it off the stand, and I normally throw my leg over. I'd forgotten I'd put in the hard panniers on with the top bit, caught my foot on it and just lost my foot. And that's where I hurt my back, trying to pick it up sideways. I realised I'd done that, went round to pick it up properly, knew my back hurt and called for help to help me pick the bike up. Lucky, no damage done. Well, no damage done to the bike at least. 2 days, and then it went badly. I could not move without pain relief or killers. I actually stayed in bed for 2 solid days, literally not moving at all. Had to.
Oh, that's on, is it?
Yeah. Are you feeling uncomfortable, I guess?
I missed the old cruise control.
What, already?
Yeah. That'll take your hands off and give them a shake once or twice. So whilst you're watching us cross the Humber Bridge, I'll tell you a bit about how my back was feeling. So we put the GoPro on and was at the garage near where we had to turn around because of a diversion. I thought about turning around and going home at that point because back was really hurting. But the more I rode, and I had to be careful how I moved on the bike, but the more I rode, the easier it got. And even here where I was very tense because I don't like heights, so the Humber Bridge does trigger me slightly. My back was tolerable and slowly getting better through the day. So I used Kalimoto to navigate to Whitby. It was the first time I'd used it. It worked fine until we got near Whitby, and then it froze and I couldn't get it to work again. It wouldn't pick up the route again. So I switched back to the BMW connected app. The route it chose, with a few waypoints that I'd put in, was absolutely fine. And thought that moving forward it might be a good way to find some different roads. So I went out for my long ride yesterday. Went to Whitby, it's a long way. Back was in the morning. At first I thought I was going to have to turn around, but strangely, the GS cures everything, because after a while it cleared up, thankfully. So it cleared up, it was tolerable, it ached, I had to be careful. But yeah, looks like we're on for the trip. Really good ride. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. Over the Humber Bridge, over the Yorkshire Moors. Yeah, really good.